Tell me what is going on, Grandad.
We are in IKEA.
It is the last day of what would be the weekday holiday for the half term, yeah? Friday.
Yep.
Yeah? I've got a day off work.
Yep.
We've taken 2 cars to Southampton
Yep.
and we're at IKEA.
We are.
Why is it when you mention IKEA to people, what reaction do you get when you mention IKEA? What does that mean?
Well, must say mug.
It's one of them places, isn't it, where if you say you're going to Tesco's or you're going shopping or you're going anywhere, when you mention IKEA, it's like, it's an issue, isn't it? It's like a home wrecker. It causes problems amongst families and couples.
Yep.
We have to walk around IKEA, and what concerns me even more is that we bought 2 cars.
Yeah.
Why?
Because they want to load the boot up.
It's going to cost me a lot of money today, Grandad.
Yep, and me.
We're going to walk around, because you can't just go through, can you? You have to walk around the path. There's no windows, no nothing. Walking around, and you end up at the end of it with a stinking candle.
Yeah, loads of tissues and loads of boxes full of stuff we've got to build. So the next 2 days we're going to be building, I expect.
Let's see how this goes, shall we?
Yeah, we will.
Let's go and find the others. And the other thing is, Grandad, you were going to come here a couple of weeks ago.
We were.
But you fell over.
I did.
And if you didn't fall over, you would have come on that Saturday,
and
I would have been working.
Yeah.
And I wouldn't have had to be here.
Unlucky.
But because of your stupidity in the garden,
True.
falling over and ending up in hospital all night, we postponed it till today.
So here we are now.
And now I'm with you.
Yeah. Am I bothered? I don't think so.
Right, we met up with car number 2. Can you explain to me what we're doing here today?
Shopping.
Yeah, but can you be specific, or are you saying we're open to anything?
Well, no, there are certain things that we want to get. Some new furniture for Chloe's room, and some shelves for Archie's room, and whatever else.
Okay, let me ask you the same question I asked Grandad. When we say to people that we're going to go to IKEA, what reaction do people give you?
A great one.
No, they don't. Everyone knows this is the trouble place. It's not like saying, like, if you say, this is what I said to Grandad, right? If you say you're going to Tesco's or something, they say, okay. When you say you're going to IKEA, people go, ooh.
I've even got my yellow bag already. But I'm looking for a trolley.
There goes Grandad and Faye, lost, can't find us. Look. They have no idea where we are. Half an hour. That's all we have been in here so far. Half an hour. It feels like... It just feels like a world of pain. But I think we made our first purchase. Or possibly. Have we, Archie?
Yep, we have. Shelf right there for my Lego.
Let's have a look. So he wants this for the corner of his bedroom to put his Legos on when he's finished building them. It's quite nice, actually. What do you think, boss?
One item found.
Woohoo! And we got a pig as well now. What are we doing with that?
Just she needs it to go with our other hundreds of teddy bears.
You've got to look on the bright side. It's Friday. Archie's found this light, and actually, it's pretty cool. So, when you pull, here. Look at that.
You pull it, it's a bit like the Death Star.
Cool. What are you doing?
Trying out the chair.
We don't even need a chair. Wait, so what are you trying it out for?
To try it out.
For what purpose? Just because?
Just because we're
That's an
here.
excuse to sit down, isn't it?
We're here in IKEA, you've got to try everything.
Is that how they say it? We're here in IKEA, so it rhymes. He's back.
Hello, we're back.
Where you been?
Had a cake and a cup of coffee.
What?
Yeah, well, I'm sensible.
So what, you walked off and left us?
Yeah.
And got yourself a cake?
Yep.
And a coffee?
A coffee, yeah. Very nice too.
Is that how to operate in IKEA, is it?
It is, mate. I'll tell you what, there's a ship just outside, 7 stories high, and then 2 more on top of that. Looks like a big block of flats.
So there's 9 stories then?
Well, 9 in all, yeah, but
What?
7, and like 2 little things on top. I don't know if they're actually bedrooms or what.
What does that have to do with IKEA?
I'm just saying. But it's bigger than this bloody store and it floats on the water.
You look drunk.
Good at it.
What are you laughing at? Huh?
Over here, look.
Oh, for God's sake.
Oh, God.
He loves it.
Too silly.
We've come to the restaurant for a bit of lunch and it is absolutely manic. I don't know what the order of process is here. It's chaos. And all Grandad keeps on going on about is this boat now over my shoulder. Hang on. That boat, that's all he keeps going on about, the boat. Look at him, look.
Time for me dinner.
Been queuing up the food for absolutely ages, and I'll tell you why this queue's so big. This place, the prices are phenomenal. Have a look at this. Look at that, £3 dish of the day. The other thing here that's unbelievable is a trolley that you get your food on. This should be everywhere. Look how good this is. How good is that? That's what you need at them all-inclusive restaurants, isn't it? Where you can go large and get 18 plates full up with stuff. Oh, seriously, that is the business. Tell me if this is not the deal of the deals, sale of the century. This is the Friday bargain, the Friday bonanza. Look at this. That there, fish, chips and peas, some tartar sauce. Look, there's my hand, so it's a fair portion. That is £3. You can't even get a meal deal in Tesco's for £3. Grandad,
Hello.
what can you say about that?
What's that?
The food.
Lovely. Never disappoints.
What does?
The food.
What did you have?
I had meatballs with chips and peas. Very nice, and a cup of tea. Lovely jubbly.
And you had a cake earlier.
I did. Very nice too.
Grandad.
Hello, mate.
We gotta get out of this place. If it's the last thing we ever do, we gotta get out of this place.
There we are, thank God.
We're out. We're out.
On the way home.
That last bit was nasty.
Yeah.
Claire parked her car in with the back into another car, so she's had to pull out into the road so we can load some stuff in. There's another fella giving us jip, wasn't he?
He was.
Yeah, you'd have had it in, Grandad, wouldn't you?
I was taking a trolley back, I didn't see it.
What would you have done if you saw it?
I'd have sorted him out.
Sort him right out, he
I
says.
said, would have said, you know who I am?
He say no.
So you're about to find out. So.
He's about to find out, he says. I tell you what, I'm glad that's over, Grandad.
Oh, me too.
It's all right for you now. You can sit in the back of the motor while I'm driving home for another hour and a half.
I know, lovely.
Open the car up, Boise. Open the car. Open it up, son. Let's get home.